Wood shaving machine is very useful to make wood shavings for animal bedding. This wood shaving machine has compact structure which includes frame, inlet and outlet, belt pulley, cutter plate and motor. When use this wood shaving machine, we should connect the power supply and start the machine. Then put the logs or branches into the inlet of this machine. The material diameter should not be bigger than the inlet diameter. We can see the good wood shavings are made quickly. According to different requirements of customers, the wood shavings thickness is adjustable. A series of wood shavers have high working capacities, which range from 200 kilograms per hour to 210 per hour. Final wood shavings have wide applications for animal bedding such as cattle, horse, sheep, and so on. Besides, wood shavings can also be further processed for making all kinds of boards and paper. Welcome to subscribe my YouTube channel and contact me for the detailed information.